Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to turn off age restriction on TikTok. For example, if you are scrolling on TikTok and you see this kind of interface, then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close that tab. After that, you have to simply open the TikTok. After opening the TikTok, you have to simply click on the profile here. After clicking on profile, what you need to do is you have to simply click on the three lines here. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. If you click on settings and privacy, then you will find many options here, and you have to scroll down and you can easily find content preferences option in content and display. So you have to click on that, and here you have to make sure that you have turned off the restricted mode on TikTok. If it is turned on, for example, if I am going to turn on this, then you can see here that after you turn this on, you will see this restricted mode on TikTok. And if you haven't done restricted mode on the TikTok and you still facing the problem, then how you can fix that? For this, you have to simply click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to look for report a problem, and here you have to wait for some time so that it can load up. After that, you have to look for the problem you are facing. Here you can search for your issue as age restriction. So here you can search for. After searching, you can easily find the option of age restriction here. As you can see, there is no result to that, so you have to go for the options available. So here you can search for, and you have to simply click on account and profile so that you can find the option here. After clicking on account and profile, and here you have to click on manage account. I want to make my account secure, and you have to click on that because you want to turn on the age restricted mode here. After that, you have to simply click on the no, and if you click on no, then you will find the option of need more help. You have to click on that. After clicking on here, you can explain the problem to the TikTok team that what you are facing, and here you can tell that you are facing the problem of age restriction on TikTok, which means you are not allowing to see many videos due to age restriction. In if After that, you have to simply provide the screenshot of the problem here. After providing the screenshot of the problem, you can simply click on submit and your problem will be submitted to the TikTok. After that, if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the TikTok again, and you have to check whether you are under age or not, which means you have set your age under 18 or not. If it is under 18, then some content will be restricted from you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.